Hi there, here's how you can delete your Facebook account into 2026. Just click on your profile icon, then click on settings and privacy, and click on settings, and click on account centers, and then click on manage accounts. Then you can see your Facebook account is here and your Instagram account is here. If you want to delete your Facebook account, you can click on manage. Then you will be see three options here changing into new account center. If you want to move your accounts from this center to another center, you can do it. Memorization, it's for like when you, if in case you passed away, who will take care of your account. And the third option is deactivation or deletion. Deactivation could be the temporary one, and the deletion could be the permanent one. And choose your account that you want to delete or deactivate. Deactivate could be temporary. Once you deactivate your account, you can log into any time by entering your password. And if you delete your account, you can't be able to retrieve it if it's get deleted for 30 days. Then click on continue. Then it will ask you to that your page will be deleted too, and click on next. And then they will ask you the reason, like why you are deleting your account, and click on continue. And then it will ask you to, are you sure about the decision. You can choose the deactivate instead if you want it temporary, and but if you want it permanent, you can click on continue deletion. So before you can delete your account, you can go to activity log and export your data like your chats, your images, and everything else there. You can retrieve it and download for your personal use. Then click on delete account, and there you're gonna see which pages connected with your account will be deactivated. So these are the pages. At last, it will ask you to enter your password. Once you enter your password, your account will be deleted permanently. So it's just a demo, so I'm not deleting my account in actual. So this is the whole method. You can do it by yourself, and it's gonna be same on mobile version as well. But I will upload the video on mobile version to show that version of doing the process. Thanks so much for watching your video. Hope to see you in more.